So is iPad with the Pro Motion feature worth it? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, the iPads, especially the Pro models, have been coming out with the Pro Motion display, which is a feature which is giving your display a higher refresh rate. And at the end of the day, it just makes the animations and all of the things which are moving on the display much smoother. So the only benefit is that it looks nicer. But of course, the iPad screen is what you are looking at. Like, that's the point of looking at the iPad. So I personally think that it is worth it. But, it's not like a feature which you cannot like live without, right? If you don't even notice the difference, then it's not really something that you would probably lack. But even if you have like the iPad Pro with that feature already, you can disable it inside of the settings by tapping on the accessibility section and proceeding to the motion. And in there at the bottom, you have the limit frame rate, and you can see that it can set the maximum refresh rate for 60. So that's the thing which you probably want to do to see the difference, right? Because if I enable it, I can see what it would look like without the promotion. And, with this enabled, I can see, the best possible quality of the display. So, yeah, I mean, there are still people using iPhones without the promotion display and with the lower refresh rates, and they are seemingly fine. Like the regular base iPhone 16 or 15s still have the older display without the promotion. So I guess people are okay with it, so it just all comes down to your personal preference. So I just quickly wanted to explain the situation around it. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.